Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare the Kia Sportage versus the Chevrolet Equinox. We'll dive deep into what makes each of these popular compact SUVs stand out. You'll learn about their performance capabilities, interior comfort, and advanced safety features. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture to help you decide which vehicle is the perfect fit for your lifestyle and driving needs. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the Kia Sportage typically comes with a 2.5-liter engine, delivering around 187 horsepower. The Chevrolet Equinox, on the other hand, usually features a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, which produces about 175 horsepower. While the Sportage offers a bit more power, both vehicles are designed to provide a smooth and comfortable ride, making them excellent choices for daily commutes and longer journeys alike. Your driving style might influence your preference here. Stepping inside, the Kia Sportage impresses with its modern and tech-forward cabin, often featuring available dual 12.3-inch displays for a sleek look. The Chevrolet Equinox offers a spacious and practical interior, focusing on user-friendly infotainment and comfortable seating for passengers. Both SUVs provide generous cargo capacity, making them versatile for groceries, luggage, or sports equipment. It really comes down to whether you prefer a more futuristic feel or a straightforward, functional design. Regarding safety, both the Sportage and Equinox are equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, ensuring peace of mind on the road. When considering overall value, factors like fuel efficiency, warranty coverage, and resale value play a significant role in your long-term ownership experience. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal priorities, whether that's power, technology, or practicality. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.